Hi there, today I would like to go ahead and review the set I have been gifted. So this is my first vegetable garden for babies 6 months and plus, and this could be even for a 1-year-old. This is really great for their development so they can explore. So you would receive the instructions for it, and this is the actual how it looks like. It has really nice box organizer to keep everything inside, and it does have mirror, and each individual toy is made so good. Sunflower, broccoli, and it has carrot. They're super adorable, and a mushroom. They're able to plant, pull it out. So cute tomato, you can take it out. And this is all removable as well. This is really nice for even to go. Super adorable, really nice quality.